This is the school database management system, and I'm going to open it. I'll just double click to open. So when it opens, this will be the tutorial page. Yes, this one will take you through how the system works, what it entails. So looking at this one, the first one, school student management, teacher management, class management, bills management, fee management, expenses management, account management, reports, attendance, SBA, user management, image management, import of existing records, automatic promotion, and birthday notification. Yes, so these are the features of this database, and this is what the database does. These are the tutorials. In case you want to move to the next tutorial, there's a next button at the bottom here. Next, to get to the last one, then come to back, then that is it. There's a checkbox here in case you don't want to see this this tutorial again. You just click on the checkbox and that will be it. In case you want to skip it to the next page, you just click skip and it brings you to the next page. Here's the login page, and if this is the first time of opening the database, you need to create an account by going to register here. So here you just enter the name, fill the form, and that is about. Please be mindful of the information you provide here. If the information you provide, this one will help you to retrieve your password in case you forget it. So make sure whatever you add here, you'll be able to remember when you are asked to. I've already created an account, so I'm not going to spend my time here. When you are done, after entering everything, you go to register, then come to login to the login page. So now we have to enter our credentials. So credential will be 2 with me. The username and password, they are all case sensitive, so you have to be mindful of that. When you are done, just click on login. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so you see, because the birthday notification, that's why when I logged in, seeing the birthday song is now playing. Looking at the background image, they are customizable. You can change them anytime you want, so you will get there and you understand how, or you know how to change it. Yes, so now just close. But when the birthday song was playing, I just click on the mute button and it muted the song. Yes, so just close it, and there's the notification. In case maybe you want to see the birthdays, those who are having birthdays today, you just click on it. Yes, and it will be playing. Looking at the top here, there are 1 of 2. It means 2 students are having birthdays today. So when you click on the happy birthday to you, yes, when you click on the next button, it will show the second student. Yes, so that is it for the student birthday notification. You come to classes, click on class. So here, go to add class. You add your class. I've already added. Come to all classes. This one shows all the classes. In case you want to make changes to any class, you click on the pencil to open the class and make a change. So here is BS1. Now let me click on BS2 to see it will open it exactly the class you want to change. Yes, in case you want to delete, click on this delete button. It will warn you. If you just click yes, it will delete it. If you click no, then that one you are gone. Come to bills. The bills, this one you can do it later, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to take you through. Yes, because sometimes maybe you may not know the types of bills students are to pay, so you can just add the students, teachers, and other things. But when it comes to payments, then that you have to come back to bills to add the bills. So here, the first one you should add is to add bill type. Click on add bill type. So the bill type, what type of bills are students to pay? Maybe tuition fee, exams fee, maintenance fee, and other things. So you just add them here. You enter, you go to save, then you save them. Yes, so you enter them here and you go. So now you come to view bill type. So the bill type here, these are the bill types that we have. So here we have exams fee, tuition fee. You can add as many bill types that you want. So the next one, we come to bill a class. So here's where you are to bill classes. Yes, here's where you are to bill class. So you click on the drop down here, you select the class, then you select the bill type. What type of bill are you billing the class? You select the bill type. So here you add the amount, then you select the term. For what term? When you are done, you save it. So when you are done with all the when you are done with billing all the classes, then you come to all bills here. So when you come to all bills here, you can see all the bills that you've added to the class. On top here, you can filter all of them depending on how you want it. Since there's only one term, when you click just one term, that will show. So when you select that term to show only all the bills, the year, the same thing. But the class, since we have class 1, BS1 and BS2, when you select BS1, see that it is showing only BS1 students. When you select BS2, it's showing only BS2 students. So you just clear the filter and everything comes back to normal. Yes. Now when we come to bill type 2, yes, we can filter by bill type. Select the bill type, exam fee, so that it is showing only exam fee. Then tuition fee, it is showing only tuition fee. So that is what the bill does. Now we come to students. So for the student management, the first one, come to new admission. So the new admission, you enter the first name, last name, date of birth, all the details you enter here. When you are done, in case you have in case you want to add a picture of the student, you can just click on the upload picture. It will take you browse to where your pictures are. Then you just select the picture. When you select the picture, click on open and it will open the picture. When you are done, just click on save and it will save it. After that, we come to active students. So the active students shows all students who are actively in school or who are currently in school. So these are the students I've added. I have 3 students here that I've added here. So these are the active students. When you come to inactive students, there's no inactive students here. Come to graduate. The graduate students or the graduate here will show all the students who have been graduated from the school. Come to promotion history. Yes, like initially I said, this one manages promotion. So after students are promoted, they will be shown here. Yes, you promote students and you get to understand. Yes. So now when we come to active student, let's say the first name Aduma Ma is no more with us. Maybe she has traveled or moved to a different school. You come here, then there's a student profile. Down here you can see that there's a checkbox that is active. So the checkbox is now checked. But when you uncheck it or you uncheck it, then let's go back. So now when you click on active students, you can see that now Aduma is no more with us. It left with 2 students here. Now when we go to inactive students, you can see that Aduma is now showing here. In a situation whereby Aduma comes back and you want to activate or make her active again, just come here. Then it's active, just click on the checkbox and that is it. So when we come to inactive students, no more inactive students. Then when we come to active students, now Aduma is back to school. Yes, the graduates too, like I said, there's no graduate students. There are no promotion yet, so that's why promotion history is empty. The next item, we come to teachers. So the teachers, you come to new teacher. This one, you add teachers. These are, you just fill the form, add the details. You can upload the picture. When you click on this one, you browse to where your pictures are, then you upload the picture. Then here you just fill the forms. Yes, you just fill the form. This form is a standard form, so in case maybe your school you don't need much information like this, yes, it is customizable. I can just make a change to it so that it fits your needs. That is it for the teachers. So when you are done, just like the students, come to active teachers. Fortunately, I have one teacher here who is active. When it comes to inactive teachers, the same thing. Since no teacher is inactive, that's why that place is empty. Yes, so for the active teachers, when the teacher is no more in the school, you can just go click here, then you make a change. But one thing about the teacher's profile is that the teacher's profile down here tells us that teacher Kojo Kwame Anoche has about 37 years to retirement. Yes, but now when you go to academic data, when you click on it, it will show all the academic data of teacher Kwame Anoche. Then bank data, when you click on bank data, it shows all the bank details of teacher Kwame Anoche. So that's the beauty of this this database. Yes, it's all in one. Come to inactive and the same thing. Now that we are done with teachers, come to payment. So the payment, we have pay bill, payment history, payment summary, fully paid, and owing students. But before then, you have to select a term first. So what term do you want to deal with? Say term 1. Come to pay bills. So the pay bills, here just enter the name of the student. It's not necessary that you enter the full name. Just enter AD, then you press enter. So the AD can see that it has brought Aduma here. Aduma has already made some payment. So here the total bill 370, amount paid is 220, and the balance is what? 150. You can make more payment. So here the payment fee type, tuition fee, the amount, let's say 50. Then come to mode of payment, say cash. Yes, so you can see that down the balance has now reduced, and the percentage sign here, the percentage tracker here to tracking for the progress. Yes, the progress bar is now tracking for us to see how Aduma is trying to finish paying her bills. Now you can, the print buttons here, you can print individual payment here. So when you click on it, it will just, and your machine is connected to a printer, it will automatically print. But since mine is not connected to printer, that's why it's not printing. And in case you want to print all that Aduma has paid, you just click on print all. Or in case you want to see how it looks like before you print, click on preview, so it will show everything, the payment history for Aduma. So looking at it, we have, this one is the receipt number, payment date, the payment time, amount paid, and the rest. So the down here, this is the summary. Total bill is 370. Total payment is 270, and balance is what? 100 cedis. Yes, so that is it. So when you are done and you are okay with it, just click on print all, and it will print. Yes, so that is it. Now when we come to payment history, the payment history, it shows the number of occasions students have made payment. So looking at it, Aduma on 3 occasions has Aduma made payment, and Amma Bebrese just 1 occasion that she has made. And when we come to payment history, this is the summary of the payment a student have made within a year. Within a term. Yes, so for term 1, Aduma has made a total payment of 270, and the balance is 100 cedis. Amma Bebrese has made a total payment of 100 cedis, and the balance is what? 400. So that it is. Here you can filter by class. Say when you select BS1, it's showing only records from BS1. When you select BS2, it's showing only records from BS2. It's the same thing. You can search by name. So you just search Amma. But now nothing is showing because there's Amma here and there's Amma here. By the moment you just add another, the second name, because the first name is Amma. The second name is, let me add A. So now I can see that has now singled Amma Bebrese out. Yes, so Amma Bebrese, that is it. And if you just say Aduma AD, since AD, there's only one AD. When you just press enter or click on this one, it will now show Aduma. So that is it. In case you want to see all the records, clear filter, and everything will be showing here. You come to fully paid, since no student have made full payment, that's why nothing is showing here. Come to owing students. So the owing students. So when we come to the owing students, these are the owing students, and you can see that the student who has not made at least a payment is showing red. Yes, that's Kofi and San. And like if done previously, the class term year student, you can just use it to filter the students. When you just click on Kofi and San, it will show everything. So in case there are plenty, just enter. When you enter, let's say Kofi, then you see the moment you just enter, it will bring the name, press enter, and that is it. So here too, you can just print, export to Excel, or export to PDF. You have 3 options here. Then just clear it. That is it for the payment management. Now let's come to expenses. So the expenses, click on expenses. Then here you add click on add expenses. You add the items, or you are items you are to spend on. So the item description, what item are you spending on? You just describe or enter the name of the item. The amount, how much are you spending on? You just enter the amount. Then the term, you just select the term for term 1, term 2, or term 3. Then when you come to all expenses, since this one is for, it can be used for multiple terms, you have to select the term first. So term, and you select the year. Then you come to all expenses. So the all expenses, you can see that it is showing all the expenses. Down here you can see the total expenses amount. Yes, and that is it. In case you want to make any changes, click on this one to open the expenses form. Then this one was football. You click on this one too was books. So you can make any changes to the expenses and you are done. Then come to delete. You can delete. So when you click on this one, when you just click on yes, it will be gone. And when you click on no, that is it. So that's the expenses manager. Let's come to account. After the expenses, there should be an account. So here you have to select the term, select the year, then you submit. So when you submit, these are the accounts. So the total amount received is for term 1 2025 is 370 cedis. Total amount spent is 200 cedis, and the balance 170. So here you have two options, either to print for this term or print for all terms. That is it. Now we come to miscellaneous. The miscellaneous, this one is where you can export student enrollment, teacher enrollment, payment history, payment summary, payment fully, payment bill debts. Yes, you can export everything, but sometimes in case you want to view it to see how it is, you just come to select a student enrollment, come to view. So the view here, you have options to narrow down your selection or your export or your view. The option is, do you want male or female? Enter sex, that's male or female. If it is male, then just enter male. If you want only female, just enter female. But in case you want both males and females, just leave the space blank and click on OK. The next option, to which class do you want records from? Do you want a specific class? If you don't enter any class, then that one you just leave it. But this one, make sure the class you enter should be the same as the classes, the class names you added in the class management. Yes, because let's say if you enter BS1 like I've added, and here you enter class 1, it will not work because class 1 is not in class management. So that one you should take note. So here you just click on OK. Then we have active students and inactive students. So which type of student do you want? If it is active, like here 1 is equal to active students and 0 is equal to inactive students. So the moment you just enter 1, it means you only want active students. The moment you enter 0, it means you want inactive students. So if you don't want, you want all, just click on OK and it will show everything here. You can click on export to export everything. So when you click on this one, it will ask you, give it a name, select your location where you want to export it to. When you are done, click on OK and it will be gone. The same thing applies to all these ones here. But when we come to the upcoming birthdays, we have students. When you click on go, mean there's no upcoming birthdays. Yes, teachers too, there's no upcoming birthdays. We have tutorials. The tutorials is what the first screen we saw. In case you want to go back and read, just click on tutorials, it will open. Then go to next. So when you are done, and that is it. Now let's go to students. Like the upcoming birthdays, I think we have more than one student. So come to students, come to active students. The date of birth, today is what, 22nd. So let me make this one 23rd. All right, so now we come to miscellaneous, then we come to students, go to upcoming birthdays. So yes, this one will show all upcoming birthdays for the students for the next 14 days. Yes, so that is it. Click on close and we are done. Now we come to settings. So when you click on settings, there are options here. The first one, manage users. In case you want to make changes to your user details, click on it. In this one, you can make any changes to it. Now in case you want to delete the user, click on it and it will be, the moment you just click on yes, it will be what? Deleted. You come to manage images. Yes, so these are where we can manage our images. So the manage images, like I said, we can make changes to it. We come to the login. Here is the login page. So click on upload. Then you can delete it. When you click on delete, yes, and it will be gone. So when you click on upload, then you browse to where your images are. Now open this one. So the login page, how do you want it to be? Okay, let me select this one. Then like seeing the color is just conflicting with the background. So here you have the options to change the school name color. Select it. You have black. Is it color? Let's say blue. Let's say green. So you have options to change the colors of your choice. White, yellow, any color of your choice. You can just change it. Let's say black or blue. Okay, so now come to the home page. Like that's a welcome screen. Just click on it. So here to just select any one. Then come to the category. The category to just select and change it. Yes, we have about the about section. You have to, okay, let me select this one. Then SBA. Yes, if not going to SBA, but I will go there. Select this one. Then at register or the attendance, that one to, okay, let me select this one. All right, so now when we click on, so that's it. Now let's come to the add school info. So add school info, click on it, you add the information about the school, add everything. When you are done, if you have a school logo, you just click on this one to upload a logo. You browse to where the logo is, then you upload. All right, so that is it. When we come to view school details, I've already added some details about it. So these are Do With Me YouTube channel, and the rest you just add. In case you want to make any update, click on this one to bring you to the update page to update, make any changes to your school data, school details. Now we come to birthday song. So the birthday song, you come to the birthday song, you have two options to set it. Like the default song, in case you want to change it, you click on it and you browse to where your song is, then you make a change to it. In case you want to delete it, click on it. The moment you just click yes to take off the birthday song away. So that is it. Now we come to import data. Yes, here is where you have options. Like let's say you already have a data maybe in your previous database or any records in books or anywhere, in Excel or anywhere. Yes, you already have your data. So there's an option for you to import. So you have two options for students or for teachers. If for students, select the student. But since maybe the template of your database or the template of your data or your records may not be the same as this database, you have to download the default template for this database. So you click on download to download. When you click on it, let me click on it. Now it is downloaded. It will download it straight to your database. Yes, straight to your database folder. So there is it. So when it download like this, you open it. When you open, you copy all the records that you already have, then you copy them in the template. Copy them according to the spaces or the headings. Yes, so that it doesn't create any conflict. When you are done, you come to import. So import, you browse to where you like the template is, where you copied all your data in the template in which you copied all your data on. Then you just browse to where it was, like where you kept it. Then you go and import it. So when you import, everything will be imported. When in case you want to do same for teachers, you click on it, you follow the same thing, and you are done. Yes, so now we come to promotion. The promotion, there are two options. In case you want to promote class base, so that for class base, you just select a class. Let's say class 1. Then you come to promote class. So So when you click on promote class, it will ask you there are 2 students in this class. Do you want to promote? Let's go to yes. Then class-based promotion completed for 2 students. Okay. But in case you want to promote the entire school, then that one is select promote all. That promote all will promote all the students irrespective of their classes. Yes, so that is it for the promotion. Then when we come to about, I can see that the background image has changed. This is the about section. This one tells us about the name of the school, address, school location. The school location is not added. Then that one, let me go there and view school details. Then edit. So the school location. Let's say YouTube. All right. Now let's go to save. All right. Now we come to the about again. You can see that the school location has changed. YouTube. All right. Email, telephone, and the motto. So here, this is the summary. Welcome to Do With Me YouTube channel. A school with an enrollment of 3 students and a total of 1 teacher. So this is the about section. Now, in case we want to go home, click on the logo side. When you click on the logo side, you can see that the background image, initially it was a school. Now it has changed. It's the same thing when we log out. Click on log out. You can see that the background image too has changed. By looking at the name, since the name is black and it is not showing, so you can just go and make a change to it. Now you just enter the credentials, go to login. All right, so now we come to settings, come to images. So here the black is not clearer, so come to, let's say, make it yellow. Okay, let's log out and see. Yes, but this one you just adjust it the way you want it to be and you are done. So log in, then come to settings again, manage images, select any color. By when you select default, the default color is what? White. So that is it. We are done with the school management. So the next one is to go to attendance. The attendance, click on attendance register here. So the attendance will open. You see the attendance background too. As we added it, we come home. So home, like home, when you go to home, it will send you back to the student management. Now you have to add term first. So here you come to add a term. So which term are you marking, or in which term are you? Term 1. The start date. What date are we starting? Let's say first. No, today's date. Let me use today's date. Then the end date. The end date to, let's say, next month 30th. Then academic year. You just add the academic year. So now you submit it. Yes, it says term already exists with the same name, academic year, or overlapping date. Yes, because I've already added it, that's why to say it still exists. So I'll just close it, come to all terms. Yes, you can see that the term 1, the academic year is still there. That's why I did not allow me. So this one too is a safeguard that will not prevent duplicates. Yes, then we come to mark register. So the mark register, you have to select the term 1, then the class BS1. There's no students since we promoted them. They come to BS2. Yes, so the BS2, you just mark their attendance. There are 4 options here: present, absent, excuse, and late. And there's an option to add note. In case you want to add note to the student, you can just add the note. So just the first student, Kofi Ansan, present, Aduma Ma present, and Amma Bebe present. So that is it. Now let's come to attendance list. When you come to attendance list, you can see that I've already marked some attendance. Yes, so you can see that here is the attendance list. In case, let's say this one, the first one, Kofi Ansan on the day is Sunday, the date. In case Kofi Ansan was absent, was present, but in case you marked him present, you can just click on this one. You come to the status, select this one, and you make the change. You save it. So Now when you click on it again, you can see that now Kofi Ansah is now what? Absent. Yes, so that is it. Now when we come to the termly attendance, so the termly attendance, we have absent Kofi Ansah, absent 1, and Kofi Ansah present 2. But the two names, Aduma and Ama, they are all present. They've not got any absent. So this one summarizes the total attendance for a particular term. You have the option to filter all this one by name, student, status, agenda, class, and the rest. The same thing here. You have this. There are a lot of range. You can filter the attendance. Here is the status. You can filter by present. Can filter by absence. When I click on absent and I go to filter, so that it's only one student who is absent. And when I clear it, it will just bring everything back to normal. So this is the attendance. As for the attendance, it doesn't need much. Yes. But you have option to export, option to what? Print. So when you just click on export, it will ask you export current filter records to Excel. If you click on yes, then you give it a name. Just in case you want to print, you just click on print, and it will ask you, do you want to print or preview the report? So here you have 3 options. The first one, click yes to print. If you click yes to print, no to view first, and cancel to abort. So the yes is for printing, no to preview, and cancel to abort. So let's go to no to see how it will look like. Yes, so this one, since there wasn't any filtering, it didn't filter, so it will show everything. In case we have to print, it will print everything here for us. Let's close it, and we come to the attendance to attendance. If we want to preview, yes, this is how it will be like. Just preview it and we are done with it. All right, that's the attendance. Come to home. So the home, come to SBA. But before we come to SBA, let's go back to the students. So the students, we come to graduate, no record. When we come to promotion, you can see that because we've done one promotion. So there is the promotion history. The old class, Adumama was previously in BS1, now in BS2. Kofi Ansah was in BS1, now in BS2. So there is the promotion history. You can print, export to Excel, or export to PDF. We have the options. So now that we are done, we go to attendance. No, we are done with attendance. So let's go to SBA. So this is the SBA. The SBA, you have students. The students, let's go home. Students, okay, this is the students. Yes, so the students, when we come to new admission, yes, we've not added the conduct. So when we come to the SBA, come to students. So when you click on students, this is where you add the students conduct. So you click on conduct. Then here, Amaduma, just click on this punctual, then interest, reading, decent. So these are where you add the conduct, yes, for the student. Yes. All right. So when you are done, then you come here, you can search. In case the student, there are many, you can just search and just add it. Yes, you have option to make changes to it. Then you have option to delete a student. Yes, so now we come to subjects. So here you have to add a subject to it. Let's say you click on it. Let's say computing, then click on save. Then it is what? Saved. Now when we come to all subjects, yes, now computing is what? Added. Let's add one more. Let's say yes, 3, just add it. Yes. So now that we are done with the subjects, come to all subjects, showing all subjects. Come to term, add term details. So the term, which term are we dealing with? Term 1, number of weeks. Let's say 14 weeks. Come to number of holidays. Let's say 4. Then vacation date. Vacation on end of this month. Then reopening date. That will be end of next month. Then come to the head teacher signature. Yes, here you just browse for head teacher signature. Come down here. I think I have one here. Yes, but before this one, you have to make sure you have the picture of the head teacher's signature on your computer before you can use it. When you are done, just click on save. term 1 details already exist. Each term can only have one. Okay, I think I've already added that one, and this one too is a security guarantee to safeguard duplicates. Yes, so now come to term details, all terms. Yes, everything is showing here. I've already added term 1 details. Then we come to scores. So the scores, you come to all scores, no score has been recorded. So come to add scores. The add scores, you click on this one, nothing is showing. Yes, we have to select a class first. So when you select BS1, there's no student in BS1. Let's go to BS2. Yes, now all students are showing here. Select AMA, Adoma, then come to computing, you add the marks. Let's say, then the exams for term 1. So that's Adoma for when you are done computing, you save it. And the same student Adoma for what 3, then you add the scores. And this one, add the exam score, the term, save it. So go to the next student, select subject, then you add the marks. It says the scores cannot be more than 15. Yes, so this one should be select the term, then you save it. The same student, then the subject, all right, now you go to the next student. So this one you can add all the students that you want. Kofi answer. Yes, so for term 1, the same student, I think that's the last one. Then we add the 3. So this one will be all right, so you just save it and you just close it. Now we come to term no scores again. Come to all scores. This one shows all scores. In case you want to filter by subject, select the subject, everything will be showing. Select the class, everything will be showing. So the class, I think they are all in BS2, so the class filtering will not work. All right, now come to term, the same term. All right, now we come to reports. So the report come to assessment. Assessment, select the class, select the subject, select the term, then click on preview. So this one, nothing is showing. Yes, nothing is showing because there's no student in BS1. Let's go to BS2, go to preview. Yes, can see that it is now showing the 3 students in BS2. The same thing when you come to print, you can just click on print. Then this one, you just click on yes. I don't have printer, that's why it is asking me to save, so I'll cancel it. Then come to export. So the export, to click on export, yes, and it will ask you to select a folder. Select a folder, you click on OK, and it will be exported to the database. That is it for the assessment. Let's go back to records again. Then we come to report card. So the report card, select a student. So remember to select the student, the class automatically loads. Then come to select the term. So here now you click on preview specific. When you click on it, yes, this is how the report card will look like. You just click on it. So when you are okay with it, then you just close it. Come to print. So when you click on print, it will ask you. Then if you have a printer, it will print. Yes, if you don't have a printer, then come to export all. So this one, to when you just confirm, it will export everything to your data, to your computer. So that is it for it. That is it for it. When you are done, in case you can log out from here, or you can just go home. Happy birthday to you. Yes, you can go home from here. This is it. This is the complete version of the school database management. There are in 3 folds: school based, SBA, and attendance. But everything you've seen Everything that I took you through, they are all adjustable. Like in case you want me to customize it to fit your needs, it is possible. I can do so for you. So if you're interested, kindly contact me for your copy at a cool price. Yes. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching at this time. Until we meet again, please take care and bye-bye.